Government must do revenge for warriors. The blood of warriors. The blood of warriors. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A huge giant like warriors. You. These people now who are there in Joburg. These people now who are there in Joburg. They must bring TLBs and destroy that building where warriors was killed. Joburg must. There's no peaceful protest. Only government must assist South African to do revenge. How long should they kill patriots? How long? How long? This country can never be a kleptocratic state. The government must revenge. The government must revenge. Yes, sis. Ngibulela uWaraz. Igazi likaWaraz alinophela njalo nje lityiwa kumhlaba nje. Masimlandele uWaraz masimlandele uWaraz. Ngibulela uWaraz kuthi cwaka. So kuphelile ngoWaraz nje kanjalo nje. Uphele nje ngoWaraz. Kuphele nje ngoWaraz. Yes, sis. Yes, sis. Kuphele ngoWaraz. uWaraz atyiwe njengolo hlobo. Agalelo phansi umfowethu. People who are vocal about the reality of South Africans. The future and the reality of what we are living in currently. So umuntu onjalo woken up like that, who having enlightenment like that, must be killed like that. No. Government must intervene and do the most harshest revenge. That building must be destroyed. Those who killed Waraz, Mkhwanazi, please, Tata, Diakela. South African Defense Force must chase out all those who are involved. In fact, these people must leave our country, man. Yes, sir.
Uyabona ube bengizenzela ngikwazi ukuyibheka ngaphezulu lokho engigade ngakhona. Bengingahlela a peaceful protest whereby simobilizela ukuthi akekho umuntu okumele aqale emsebenzini ngoJanuary until uhulumeni wethu azakwazi ukusilalela. Kusolakala ukuthi ngokuhamba kwananga uDJ lo odutshule lapha eCarlton Center lapha na eJohannesburg kuCentral. Ingenxa yokuthi ube ne-security company ebiyenza njalo ama-evictions laphana kumabhilidi lawa asuke esedliwe yifika namthwalo abantu bokuhamba. Lapho khona kade ekhipha khona ama-security akhe ekhipha ama-illegal immigrants. So base badecide kwahlongoza ukuthi kungcono ukuthi abulawe. Bangakanani abantu asebehambile eGoli? Sikhuluma kade sitestify ama-members awu2 e-Operation Dudula. Abulewe futhi. Ngayo leyo nto leyo abantu bokufika labo kuthiwa abafowethu. Hayi bafowethu mina ngazi ukuthi oJulius mabezwa ama-allegations akanjena ukuyekuthina ey'ngqondweni zabo kwekufikeni. Nabona bonke nje abahola bakhona ngalabantu ngoba abantu baseNingizimu Afrika bathi cha ake sisale sodwa silungise iy'nkinga zomndeni sodwa. Ake behambe qala sibone ukuthi sinankingani kuphi kwi-unemployment. Manje uhulumeni osiphethe ngeke uze usho futhi uhulumeni ka-ANC lo nenkinga. Angithi bonke bayinhlanganisela lapha national. Kukhona oGayton Mackenzie namaqembu abo kukhona abantu bonke ngokwahlukahlukana iDA angaze ngizwe ekhuluma ama-illegal immigrants ukuthi bayazi vele ukuthi kunabantu abamhlophe abangenawo ngisho ama-ID wala eMzansi bayazazi indlela aba-privilege ngakhona kwezinye zezinto. Yabona nje bafethu sisenkingeni. Ngeke ungitsheleke nabanye laba kade kuphi kambe lezansi ngasekhaya eMaritzburg kade bephithizela ngoba nabo ubuholi buhlukene phakathi ngalento yama-illegal immigrants. Asizwe ikhulunywa phezulu, ikhulunywa yi-ground lapha, so yonke iyaxaka kahle kahle. Asazi ukuthi ubani osupport omunye nomunye ongamsupportile omunye. Kuyinkinga nje kakhulu and mawuthi uyabuka ngalolu daba labantu bokufika baningi futhi abantu abazohamba kunabantu abaningi abangaphephile. Hayi bafethu mina ngiyazi lento le. Bangakanani abantu bebula ukubulawa komuntu lo muntu obulalela lo muntu mawukuthi umuntu okuhamba. Kumanje kudala iwelile ibhoda. Akayekho kumanje. Welile ibhoda lapha khona uphumlile. Akazi nokuthi lidume iphi and ayekho umuntu ozomtrace amthole yombambaphi. Ngathi kuhlula ngisho imoto iyowela le North Coast yaKwaZulu Natal le koManguza. Ibheke ngale Mozambique ayisabuya mangabe ke yawela. Ngikhuluma nje ngagcina ngizokuthiwa kubhiza ngazi kwakhiwa iconcrete border what. But kunobuholo obungajabulile futhi ngalo concrete border. Ayi sisenkingeni ngani. ngeke uyenze ukuthi mamba mangabe kuyangena endlini isikwazi ukuyidefenda yona ikwazi ukubhalansa ngamakhabethi lapho uzothi mawushaya khona gcine kulimala nezitsha kuphoqa ukuthi udele lokho kungaphakathi okuzolimala ngale nkathi ucingana nemamba ukuyishaya uyabona masingabonanga manje kuvele sekulate siyophaphama futhi singesisakwazi ukulungisa impi sivele siyiphakiwe against ama-South Africans labantu bafuna ukudla yonke into thina esiyiphethe la eMzansi bafuna ukulidla ngenkani lelizwe leli bayamasha benza iteleka yonke lento lela baphinde kudla ngelilanga siyophaphama kwaZulu Natal kuthiwa batelekile against umkhwanazi ngoba bayasibuka abasithandi kubona sizitha ngasona sonke isikhathi eyinto ebhlungu ezothi bisuku yenzeka kusasa sobe sigonqile futhi kwaZulu Natal sigonqele oJacinta sigonqele oZwakele Mncwangu sigonqele bahlonishwa lapha no Premio Thamentuli kuthiwa sebelinyaziwe badutshulwa abantu abangaziwa bangatholakala bangatraceki kusolakala abantu bokuhamba lento kudala iqalile even angazi bangakanani abantu be Operation Dudula asebehambile emhlabeni ngesimo sokuthi balisana nesihlava sabantu bokufika ake siqale sike sithi ukusala sodwa la eMzansi siyibone inkinga zethu ukuthi zingakanani ngoba kwalento unemployment ayikholokali kahle hlehle abantu laba babalekela into zama labor laws ama companies laba balela ukholela abasebenzi thatha inqwaba labantu laba fuhlele lapha lento zanene amabhilidi wonke lawa sebawadla ngodle even ku South Beach lapha ko Point amabhilidi lawa ngabahlala abantu instead abantu babane beyohlala emahostela abakwazi ukutilize yonke leyo nto leyo uyacabanga ukuthi ezweni lakho wakwayizwaphi idolobha a city occupied by almost more than 60% of foreign nationals abantu bayi majority kuthina basengalfa like singabonakali singazwakala ukukhona bethu hayi bafuthu iJohannesburg iboli lithe phuhlu ayenzakali lutho ngendlela eyisimanga and ungacabanga ukuthi khona uhulumeni ozofika azosikhulula kulento kofika iDA noma kofika ayikho leyo nto leyo it's all about us ukuthina singabahlali baseNingizimu Afrika sithanda ama politicians okudlula izwe lethu but la ama politicians siwathandayo sicabanga ukuthi wona azosilungisela izwe lethu size siyikhohlwe kathina hayi bafethu ngeke ayilunga ayidumi kanje mangabe izosuka hambile ingane umfazi lapha ithi zama ukwenza ubulungiswa khala ngabo labantu laba nithi eyintweni zo illegal mining ama drugs human trafficking kuningi yonke into esingayibalula ibona bahamba phambili hayi bafethu hayi asazi soyicela ivuthiwe inkosi impela soyicela ivuthiwe abantu bayashona left and right and bazama ngayona yonke indlela abantu ukuthi basilence.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Guys, people are really heartbroken ngokushona kwaWarasa, and some of them they are saying ukuthi they are really blaming bantu bokuqhamuka because they are ukuthi labantu labahlala lapha kuleya ama building ngalokho ngeke emthethweni bantu bokuqhamuka guys, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, bantu baseMalawi, bonke labantu labana guys labaqole lapha yana they are not South Africans. Lokusho kona ukuthi banesandla ekubulaleni Waras. People are blaming ma foreigners. They are saying ukuthi kudzala sikhuluma indzaba yema foreigners nkosi yami angathi siyokhuluma kuze kube nini indzaba yema foreigners ukuthi they must go back to their countries. Asalenzene as South Africans sidile netinkinga tethu sibone ukuthi ngitiphi inkinga lesinato ngaphandle ukuthi busy sinakane netinkinga tema foreigners criminality lento ama foreigners la South Africa. People are just so disappointed at our government for ngayina kulenza bayema foreigners ukuthi imgodi kangakanani ebantwini base South Africa. May Waras soul rest in peace. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.